What's up, Fruit Loops? Right, Beetles. We've decided, after a great deal of consternation, that's one chassis, it's one body, it's another body, it's a load of wings, load of seats, another chassis, more wings, more seats, doors, not the band, the doors, all these bits, Subaru engine, non-turbo, more Beetle bits, fuel tank, more Beetle bits, more Beetle bits, more Beetle bits, more Beetle bits, more doors, front beams, all of this. There is bonnets, boot lids, wings up there. We're not getting rid of that door because I need the metal off that one to fix the truck. Oh look, more Beetle bits. Right, what we're doing is, because we have so much going on at the moment, we are getting rid of all of the Beetle stuff, the whole job lot. We're looking at £3 for the lot, all of it. And oh yeah, there's the engine as well. It's a 1300 block, but from what we can tell, it's got 1600 internals. It does need stripping down and rebuilding. There is end float movement, so that will need to be dealt with. But it's got a few nice accessories and all that sort of stuff on there. Like I say, there's another front beam. It's just stuff everywhere. So we want to get rid of the whole lot, £3. What we also have is a hydraulic setup, which we are going to sell separately, which is all there apart from the main control box that you put up on the dash, all your switches. But everything is there, all the hoses. We'll even throw in this nice long white plastic tube that runs from the front to the rear. So £3. If you want the hydraulics as well, 3.5. This is not all near offer. This is what the price is. And yeah, hit us up if you're interested. Oh yeah, Christ, yeah, I forgot about that as well. More Beetle bits. Yeah, I've done the engine, done Scooby engine. We've got all this Volkswagen glass, which is Beetle, camper, front and rear screens, another fuel tank, quarter lights, the whole lot. So, like I say, £3 without hydraulics, £3.5 with the hydraulics. It's not negotiable. That is the price. So, we've just got far too much coming in. It's going to take us years to get around to doing them, to get the time to do them. So, yeah, hit us up if you're interested. We are in Ammanford in South Wales, which is about half an hour away from Swansea. You'll need a trailer and you'll need a van to get all this stuff. There is a boatload of stuff here. All right, okay, happy days, ta-da.